We got the pendant kayak hearts and redemption was seamless, just show the QR confirmation at the counter. Each booking also came with a complimentary Singapore sling keychain. Super worth it. Raffles Hotel is very beautiful inside and is perfect for taking photos. The souvenir products are quite exquisite. If you buy products with Klook, you will get a Singapore sling keychain as a gift. The chocolate spot on site are also very exquisite and delicious. The redemption was seamless, just show the QR confirmation at the counter. Each booking also came with a complimentary Singapore sling keychain, so it's really worth it. Very convenient and can be used immediately. The price is a bit lower than buying on site, but it would be nice if there were more choices. Recommended to buy here. It's more expensive than other stores' kaya jam, but it's a little cheaper than buying it locally. The Raffles Hotel was a very, very nice place. I haven't tried the kaya jam I bought yet, but it's much more luxurious than other stores. First time stepping into Raffles Boutique and there were so many cool things to look at. Got the kaya and pendant tarts for some overseas guests. Hope they love it. Easy to redeem, and I also got a free Singapore sling keychain because I bought from Klook. Easy to redeem, good value to buy these vouchers as there are no discount in store. Recommend their kaya tarts and pineapple tarts. Looking for a unique souvenir or a loved one or friend? This is the place to go. A little bit expensive but worth it. Smooth and organized transaction. Julian was super nice and assisted us with the redemption. Avail of the package to get discounted prices. I was able to exchange it quickly, and the store staff was very responsive. The only troublesome thing is that you have to write each code yourself. I was able to buy it at a fairly low price and the original keychain was cute. It was a cute package with a pineapple cake design. I was able to exchange it quickly, and the store staff was very responsive. The only troublesome thing is that you have to write each code yourself. I was able to buy it at a fairly low price and the original keychain was cute. Tarts are quite nice, but unfortunately the expiry date is in 2 weeks. I was planning to give it as a present to a friend in Japan, but unfortunately they will have expired before I see her. Anyway, I ended up eating them and was pleasantly surprised. The caring that comes with it is great. Souvenirs and presents from Singapore, Singapore emoji. To be honest, I was having trouble. People who have been there and eaten there will be happy, but those who don't know about it might not be able to get into bak kut teh or chicken rice seasoning that they might not understand how to make. But with this, the hotel brand will also be helped and they will be happy. Definitely nice hotel, nice decorations, taste okay. I was able to purchase it cheaper than the local price in Singapore. To pay, just show the voucher to the cashier at the register and you can pay easily. The store is a little confusing, but when I asked the staff, they kindly explained it to me. Nice tasty kaya jam, love it, and I would like to recommend this to my friends and family for sure. I go back. Packaging looks great. I think it's great for gifting. Inside is individual, overall tastes nice though. The packaging is great and the kaya itself tastes nice and sweet. Redemption was easy and got a free keychain. It was cheap and it was great to receive a gift. I recommend that you pay through this instead of just paying on site. The gift is a luxurious keyring, but it's nice to be given something that is actually for sale. It's okay. Convenient pickup and the staff immediately knew what to do as long as you show THR QR code. Note that the complimentary keychain is per transaction and not per souvenir. For the same price, you can get an additional keychain that is not cheap, which is half the price in disguise. And confirm it immediately. You can choose the most suitable plan before buying it. The collection was a bit more complicated than expected.